Move over lemon water, there just might be a cooler kid in town. Ginger water. Also known as ginger tea, this drink is becoming quite popular due to all the health claims surrounding ginger itself. Technically, though, using ginger has been around for centuries. And if we get really specific, it's been used for medicinal purposes to treat mostly stomach aches, diarrhea and nausea in Asia for more than 2,500 years. If you've adopted a healthy diet and in the habit of using natural medicine and remedies, then you've probably eaten ginger at least once in your lifetime. Ginger is used largely in natural medicine to prepare sauces, seasonings and yes, even sweets. In the Middle Ages, European people believed that ginger came from the Garden of Eden, being appreciated by the healers. The health claims are endless. In modern households and hospitals today, ginger is used to alleviate nausea, as well as being recommended to lessen the symptoms of colds, flu, coughing, and other respiratory diseases, improve symptoms from rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis, lower blood sugar and cholesterol levels, prevent blood clotting and even decrease one's risk for Alzheimer's disease. Because it is a known thermogenic food, it can boost metabolism and favors fat body burn. This is maybe what made ginger so popular in the Occident. Ginger aids in weight loss because it boosts metabolism and stimulates fat body burn. The compounds 6-gingerol and 8-gingerol, found in this root, act by increasing the production of heat and sweat, which also helps with weight loss and weight gain prevention. Are you interested? Do you want to learn how to use ginger for weight loss? An efficient way of using ginger to lose weight is by drinking ginger water daily. This recipe also helps the body eliminate toxins and improves intestinal functioning. Making ginger water is very simple. Add 4 or 5 slices, or 2 level tablespoons of ginger, in 33 ounces, of cold water and drink it throughout your day. It is recommended changing the slices every day to keep enjoying its benefits. Ginger is contraindicated for those who take medicine for high blood pressure or for thinning the blood, such as aspirin, and in case of gallstones, must only be used under medical orientation. Besides that, you should not consume more than 0.07 ounces of ginger a day during pregnancy. Besides ginger, lemons have some really great benefits as well, so let's add some lemon juice to the recipe. It will potentialize the effects of the ginger. Lemon can accelerate metabolism. Low in calories and high in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that strengthens the immune system and improves intestinal functions. To make it, prepare a lemon juice by squeezing 1 lemon in a cup of water. After that, add a spoon of grated ginger and mix well, then enjoy. We hope you enjoyed this video and it's helpful. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.